How to use Kayak Hacker Fares feature. First of all, launch the Kayak application onto your device. Now all you have to do is proceed to search for flights. By simply tapping on this two option, type in your destination. Once you type it, go ahead and select your dates and also select your cabin class as well as your baggage options. And if you want to add any stops, you can also proceed to add stop. Now all you have to do is tap on the search button. From here, all you have to do is now identify the tag. Look through the results for a green or gray labeled that explicitly says Hacker Fare. Now, review the itinerary and you simply have to complete the separate bookings. Click View Deal. Kayak will open two separate browser tabs or booking screens. You must complete the purchase for the outbound ticket first and then immediately purchase the return ticket. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.